This is how we use the microwave in the apartment, the Lynx 1007. Before you use the microwave, please make sure that the microwave is plugged and the power is on. To open the door, you can click here. You load the food inside, you close the door, and if you want to access the microwave quickly, just press on the start button and it will give you 1 minute. To increase the time, you simply can click again to the desired time you want. To stop, you simply can click on the stop button and again press here to access your food.